Number 6. Pinasa kay number 34. Binalik kay number 6. Ginit na. Pinasa kay number 1. Kawa number 13. Number 13. Pinasa kay 18. Pumasok. Traveling ang tawag ng referee. Bola na 20 Bello. Baseball pass, kaso lang bitin. Ako number 6. Pinasa kay number 16. Number 16. Pinasa kay number 10. Sige na yung press, nahuli. Number 13. Sito! Robert! Pinasok! And one! Ay. Offensive pala, offensive. Sorry na, tahan na. Number 6. Bababa ng bola. Number 6. Sila na. Sorry na, kanya na kaya. Bola na 20 Bello. 17 seconds to shoot. Number 36. 13. Kobe. Foul by number 24. First personal foul by number 24. First free throw. Basket. Second throw. Basket yan. Number 10. Bababa ng bola. 20 seconds. Number 6. Big pass. Drop pass. And number 16. Nakuha niya. Foul. By number 18. First free throw. Basket. Number 18, bababa ng bola. So 18, naksak, as a drop pass. 50 seconds to shoot. Na-rebound ni number 16. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, ang madali. Pinasa kay number 24. Number 24, easy basket. Number 8, nagbababa ng bola. 30, tumira na 3. Number 6, pass number 10. Number 10, jump shot. No good. Nakuha number 30. Number 62. 62, pinasa. And number 13. Number 13 to 36. 36, sobrang laki mo. Easy basket.
Yusin mo yun.
Number 10. Number 10, pass to number 16, to nawala ang bola, save ball. Substitution. 50 to shoot. Di makita. Tumilihan, no good, number 16, basket. Number 36, nagbababa ng bola. To number 13, number 13. Paasa kay number 62, number 36. 10 to shoot!
No good. Number 16. 16, pass out 24. Nawala ang bola. Number 1, 62. 62. Kinaliwa. Basket. Bata. Number 10. 8 seconds violation. Number 36. 36. Nag-out na papasahan. To number 13. 15 to shoot. Balik number 13. 10 to shoot. Number 18. Ganda na pay daw yung mga idol. Number 6. Nagbababa ng bola. 15 to shoot. Number 6. Sinasa na walang bola. Bola ng Edwin Tabella. Running time po ito. Nakuha ng number 24. 24 nagkababa ng bola. 24. 24 pinakasa sa ate. Number 21, basket. 13 to 36. 36 to number 8 to 13. Jump shot. No good. 124 to number 6. Number 10, number 10. Pass out number 16. Wala bola. 118, number 36. Nagmamadali. 62. Pass out number 36. Wala pa din. 21. Pass up to 24. Substitution. First personal foul, 13 foul. Bola shot. No good, nakuha number 18. 18, nagmamadali. Nagmamadali. Foul by number 6. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw. No good. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Second goal, basket. Official score, 31-24. Lamang ang Tabella. 24, pinasa number 7, number 7. No good. Nakuha number 7. 10 to shoot. 24, 27 again. Wala pa din. Nakuha number 27. Tumali. 2 points. Number 36. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points. No good. Nakuha. Pagkabitawan. Balik sa bola. 14 to shoot. Number 62. Uy, nawala ang bola. Nawala number 7. Number 7 nagmamadali. Pinaliwa pa. Kaso wala. Nawala ulit number 7. Number 7. Pinasa number 21. So nawala ang bola. Nakuha. Number 13 to 36. 36. No good. Number 6 na din. Number 6. Pinasa number 7. 7. 27, basket. 62. 62, umikot pa. No good. Nakuha 31. To number 37. 37. 36. Taas sa 62. 62 ang kalaban. Easy 2 pa. Time out!
Kasi wala akong gano'n.
Low. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Nakuha number 18, 2 minutes. No good. Nakuha number 6. Number 6, pass to 21. 21, nakuha ng laban, 24 to 29. 29 to 18. Ganda ng bangga, yung si Team Boys. 27. 27 to number 7. 15 to shoot. Number 7. Pass to number 6. 10 to shoot. Fouls are number 25. Number 25, first personal foul, warning for a penalty. Okay, dadalang ball number 2. Number 2, pass to 29 to number 18. 10 to shoot. 18, nakuha ng dress. No good, nakuha number 21. Nakuha number 2. Number 2, sa palitan na naman. Nakuha number 21. 21. Pass to number 19, nakuha number 29. 29, nagpapatuloy. Pinasok sa atin! Kasi wala! Nakuha! Number 18! 18! High counter! Foul number 19!
Sab. Magpasok po pag basket naman po. Naman po.
57. Number 27 to number 6. Number 6. Number 6 ang ganda ng pasok ng 21. Wala. Nakuha. Nagagawan. Bola ng El Puerto Pelo. Seconds to play. Substitution. Time remaining. 38 seconds. Number 18, hawak ang bola, nagbababa. 15 to shoot. Pass out 24 to 29. 18. 10 to shoot. 18 to kaya, no good. 19 seconds remaining. Foul number 18.
Team foul. Penalty?
Number 18, second personal foul, penalty. First score. Thank you.
First free throw.
Seconds. 10 seconds. Alvarez. Dapat sa number 16. 2 points. 5. End of the first half. Official score 37-34. Favor up.